So this video is about how to put an image into a Google Doc. So unfortunately, it's not as easy as it is in a Word doc. So if I come over here to File, Insert an Image, all I can do is upload it from the computer. I guess you can search from the web. To be very honest, I have not tried that one yet because I found this amazing tool that can do it for you. So, there's other choices here. By URL, all those kind of things. But if you have a neat tool called the Snippet Tool, you don't have to worry about anything. So if you come over here to, can I move? Yep. Come over here to the Start menu and come up here. You can search this menu for Snippet Tool. S-N-I-P, yep, Snipping Tool, right here. And this Snipping Tool desktop app will come up. And if you click to download it, which I've already done, then it will start showing up down here on your taskbar like mine does. So this tool is pretty amazing. So you can snippet anything you want from any place you want to snippet. So I'm going to go over here, and now we're on a puppies theme. So I'm making this worksheet or this handout or this quiz for kids or something like that, and I'm talking about Labrador puppies. And I want to remind them how darn cute Labrador puppies are. I come here and then I grab my snipping tool. So I go to New. So this was something else that I snipped earlier today. But if I go to New, and I'm sure this thing can do a lot more than even I know. Wherever I start, and notice this is still on here, but it's going to go away here in a second. I'm going to clip up here and it didn't do it. Let me try it one more time. New. There we go. That looks better because it turned that off-white color. So I'm going to do like this, and I'm going to put him in. Now, it goes right into the Snipping Tool app. So it doesn't go right into the document like it did last time. At this point, you are going to have to save it somewhere. So I just right-click and Save As. And then save it somewhere in here. All of mine that I usually do are from pictures or downloads, so I'll just keep it here in my pictures one, and I'll call it Lab Pups, and I'll save it. And then when I come to my document and I want my picture of my Labrador puppies, I can insert an image, upload from computer, and it's there on my computer. I had it in pictures. There's my lab pup. Open it up, and my lab pup picture went in. I don't think doing pictures in Google Docs is as easy as it is in Word. I don't like the way it text wraps as much and everything like that. Adriana tends to agree. It's not quite as user-friendly, but you can still move it, put it different places. You just don't have as many options as you do with Word. So once again, you've got the snipping tool down on your toolbar, and click on that. Hit New. Oh, and see, I need to go to my internet site first. So at this point, I'm going to X out. I do have to go here. What's my other golden doodles? Oh my gosh, how cute are golden doodles. Let's see what kind of pictures I can get for that. Ready? Golden doodle puppies. Oh, come on. Get out. Okay, snipping tool now. New. It should turn that hazy look. Snip what you want. You are going to have to save it, remember? So right click, Save As. Know where you're saving it. I'm saving it under Picture. I'm just going to call this one Pup to save time. Hit Save. And now, when I go back to my Word doc, wherever I want it, I want my picture right there. I can insert, image, upload from this computer. And there's my golden doodle puppy that I can put in right there. Pretty dang cute, huh? So thank you so much for Haley Lebsock. She's the one that taught me about this, and so I've been passing it on too. But yeah, it's a great tool, the snipping tool. You can take it and put things anywhere, any pictures you want off the internet. Bye-bye.